Hey there, curious minds. Imagine this. You're walking through a crowded city street. People are buzzing around you, each with their own thoughts, dreams, and souls. But what if I told you that the concept of an immortal soul could be more than just a spiritual belief? What if science has something to say about it? First off, let's dive into what we mean by the soul. For centuries, philosophers, theologians, and poets have painted the soul as our true essence, an eternal part of us that lives on after our body dies. But in the age of science, can we really prove or disprove this idea? Quantum physics, the branch of science studying the very fabric of reality, has thrown some intriguing theories into the ring. Some physicists, like Dr. Stuart Hameroff and Sir Roger Penrose, propose that consciousness itself could be a quantum process. They suggest that microtubules in our brain cells might be operating at a quantum level. In simple terms, they're saying our thoughts and experiences could be part of the quantum world. And if that's true, could our consciousness transcend our physical bodies? Mind-blowing, right? But wait, it gets even crazier. There's a theory out there called the many worlds interpretation. It suggests that every decision we make splits the universe into different possible outcomes. So, in one universe, you might be a world-famous artist, while in another, you're an astronaut. If our soul or consciousness is tied into this quantum tapestry, could it mean we experience different realities simultaneously? Now let's cool down a bit and look at things from a biological perspective. Neuroscience tells us that our sense of self, our consciousness, is the result of complex neural processes in our brain. When our brain ceases to function, so does our consciousness. Harsh, but that's the biological take. However, there's also something called biocentrism. Proposed by Dr. Robert Lanza, this theory suggests that life creates the universe rather than the other way around. If true, it could mean that our consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping reality. And if consciousness is central to the universe, could it really just disappear when we die? Fascinating, isn't it? Whether it's through the lens of quantum mechanics, neuroscience, or biocentrism, the idea of an immortal soul still sparks heated debates. While science may not have all the answers yet, it's certainly providing us with a lot to think about. So the next time you ponder the mysteries of life, just remember, the answers might be stranger than fiction. Thanks for tuning in, and keep those curious minds buzzing.